Hybrid search gets slow when text, vectors, and filters live in different places. I will build the whole path with RediSearch in Python, so it stays fast and simple. This is the setup you'll be able to run after this, which indexes documents and searches with blended text and vector relevance, plus a metadata filter. I'm Professor Pi, teaching search and IR with simple Python. Hybrid search solves a common problem. You want keyword precision and semantic recall at the same time. You also want to limit results by category or user. Many teams stitch together a vector store, a keyword index, and a separate database for metadata. That works, but it costs complexity and latency. RediSearch offers a single system that stores text, vectors, and tags together. That keeps queries local, so candidate gating and final ranking are both fast. At a high level, hybrid search blends two signals. One signal is exact term matching that favors keywords. The other is vector similarity that catches related meaning. Together, they surface documents that match the words and the intent. This mix is especially useful on short queries and in small to medium collections, where you want both precision and semantic breadth. We will build a compact demo you can run locally. It will write 3 documents, index text, attach tiny deterministic embeddings, and then run a filtered hybrid query that returns nearest vectors among the category you chose. You will see how a single search request can combine a tag filter, keyword matching, and vector ranking. Now let us confirm the server connection. First, we will ping Redis to ensure the server is up. This snippet connects to a local Redis Stack using the official Redis Pi client and verifies availability with a simple ping. The variable client holds a connection configured to decode responses, so return text is human readable, which helps when inspecting search results. The variable IDX names the RediSearch index we will create later, keeping the identifier consistent across steps. The call client.ping checks the server health and round-trips a trivial request to validate the network path. If this fails, subsequent RediSearch commands would also fail, so it is a fast sanity check before building features. The printed value confirms a live connection, which is the foundation for all following queries. Next, we will create a text index and load a few documents. This example creates a RediSearch index over Redis hashes with FT.CREATE and a minimal schema of title and body as text, plus a cat tag for metadata filtering. The onHash and prefix doc settings scope the index to documents we store under that key prefix. The list docs holds 3 small records that mimic typical search content with short titles, bodies, and categories. The loop calls client.HSET with mapping to write each document atomically, making them immediately indexable. This establishes a clean text-only baseline before adding vectors later. The printed count verifies that 3 documents were ingested and are ready for text queries. Now we will run a keyword baseline so you can compare. This snippet issues a BM25 keyword search with FT.SEARCH using the term vector, returning scores alongside the title field. The variable res contains the RediSearch response array, where the first hits key is at index 1, and its BM25 score follows at index 2. The variable top ID captures the leading document identifier, and score converts the textual score into a float for clearer display and downstream comparisons. This provides a text-only relevance baseline before adding vector signals. If you broaden or narrow the query phrase, the ordering and score magnitude will shift accordingly. The printed top hit and score make the baseline ranking visible and concrete. Next, we add small embeddings at Enable Vector Search on the same documents. This snippet adds a vector field to the existing index with FT.ALTER schema add using HNSW in RediSearch. Then write simple deterministic embeddings. The function M converts short text into an 8D float32 array by extracting basic counts, normalizing, and packing to bytes, which is the format RediSearch expects. The variable pairs maps each key to the concatenated title and body, so the vector summarizes the document text. The loop writes the vec field via HSET, enabling approximate KNN over the same keys already searchable by BM25. Increasing D would raise memory and query cost. Decreasing it may hurt recall. The printed count confirms that vector features are now attached. Finally, we will issue a single search that filters by category, matches terms, and ranks by vector distance. This code issues a hybrid RediSearch query that gates candidates with a tag filter and keyword, then ranks by vector similarity. The query queue enforces cat tech and the term Redis, reducing the candidate set before the KNN2 step on @vec with alias vscore. The params binding supplies a query embedding from M, keeping everything in a single FT search request. Sort by vscore ASC returns nearest neighbors first, and return lists the key fields you want back. Increasing EF runtime generally improves recall but adds latency. Smaller values speed up at potential accuracy cost. The printed top filtered hit shows the final result of the unified retrieval path. If you move this toy demo toward production, the same pattern maps cleanly. Use larger learned embeddings instead of the deterministic toy M function. Tune the HNSW graph parameters and EF runtime to match your latency targets. Keep tags or other filters to cut the candidate pool before the vector step, so queries stay cheap and precise. Recap. Hybrid search blends keyword ranking and vector similarity in one index. Use it when you need fast, filtered search that respects exact terms and meaning. Caveat. Tuning vector index parameters is necessary to balance recall and latency. Next step. Try increasing EF runtime on the HNSW index and measure how recall and query time change on a bigger corpus. If practical IR helps your work, subscribe and watch the IR videos.